Today we're going to be changing out the battery on this Dodge Ram Key. It is going to be the same for the Jeep and other Chrysler variant models. Simply go ahead and move that to the right. Remove our key blade. With our key blade, we're going to go ahead and insert it and create some division and use it as a wedge to push outward. Then we're going to remove the cap. We're going to go ahead and remove rubber identifiers, as well as we're going to go ahead and remove our battery. This is a CR2032 battery. We're going to go ahead and install that facing the correct direction. We're going to go ahead and put our rubber identifiers aligned correctly, and then go ahead and put our cap over. Make sure to go ahead and fasten that, doing a 360. Make sure to go ahead and hear those clicks all around. Go ahead and get your key blade, insert it, hear that click, make sure it's fastened, and you're good to go.